So these are the projection lines that we're working on now, this little vertical that's 2 millimeters long. And then we also have to have a diagonal line which sits on a 45-degree angle. So we select the line segment tool again, click on the background. It's going to be 3 millimeters in length and it is going to be on a 45-degree angle. And okay, and we check that the stroke is still 0.18 millimeters. And we bring that down and center that over top of the vertical line. We select both of them. So select one, hold down the shift key in the other, or click and drag so that you're selecting both like that. Control G to group. And then once they're grouped, you can start moving it and then hold down the Alt and the Shift key. So Alt will duplicate, Shift will take it along the same horizontal axis. And there you have the second one, and you repeat that again. So you complete that for all of the projection lines. You also want to ungroup it, which is Control Shift G, because you also want this diagonal line on its own, Control CV. And then we take this over. Every line end also has to have this centered on it. So again, I can select that, start dragging, hold down the Alt Shift key and take it up. It also duplicates and takes it on the same vertical axis.